Hey, welcome back. Here's how you can pin Instagram posts, just like this. Let's get into it in this video. So here is your Instagram homepage, obviously with your pictures on it. All you want to do, it's very simple, is literally just hold down on one of your Instagram posts that you want to pin, and it literally just comes up with the option, pin to profile, archive or share. You want to do pin to profile, and as you can see, it moves it right to the first position for being pinned. You can do this for up to 3 pictures, and each time you do it, it will move it to the one closest to the left, so that the most recent pinned picture or video is on the left, and the one that you pinned right at the beginning or first is on the right. As you can see, you only can have 3. However, I think 3 is enough, and you can keep alternating these by unpinning and pinning the pictures or videos whenever and wherever you like. So let me show you how you can unpin them. It's literally the same method. You literally just hold down on the picture or video and click unpin from your Instagram, and it's that simple. Here's a little step list that you can get into, and if you have enjoyed the video, drop a like, comment down below and subscribe for more content like this coming soon. Peace.